Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to make any video sound your alarm on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you want to make or use any video sound as your iPhone alarm, so let's see how can you do that. You have to simply open your app store and try to install the first app. You will know two different apps for this. So very first you have to open your app store here and you have to simply search for MP3 converter. And you have to install any app from here. In my case, I have already installed this one, so I'm going to open this. Just tap on this open option and the app will be opened. And here you have to tap on this plus option here, select files, and you just have to select the video for which audio you want to use as your alarms. For example, I'm going to select this one, or I can also select this. So I'm going to select this one from here. Once I select it, just tap on this open option after selecting the video which you want. Then tap on the video here, and here tap on convert. You have to make sure that you have selected MP3 from here. Then tap on this convert option, and here you just have to wait for it until it's complete. So here, once it's done, you just have to tap on this ringtone option, and here you have to select GarageBand. Or if you don't have GarageBand app, you can easily install it from your app store here. Open your app store and you have to simply go for search, and you have to search for GarageBand and you have to install this app from here. Once you have installed, you have to go back and here tap on the ringtone option again, and from here you have to simply select GarageBand app. Once you have selected, you will get this type interface here. So here you will get the video or the audio which you have just converted. So just wait for it until it's loading completed. And here, once it has been completed, you just have to keep a long press on it. And here, select this share option. And then select ringtone from here. And here, just tap on this continue option. And you just have to try to edit your name or your song name from here. So just remove or delete your previous name. And once you have done, you just have to select anyone from here. For example, I'm going to enter a random name. So once you have done, tap on this export option and then select use sound as. Select standard ringtone from here. So once you have done, your ringtone has been successfully set. And now go back from here and go to alarm section. Open your clock app, and here you just have to go to alarms. Try to set up a new alarm here. Go to the sound option and you will get the sound here. You can see we have just added this sound. So in this way you can easily make any video sound your alarm and your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.